bit.
Bluetooth signal, I can walk a half a mile back away from the truck with the stunt wall and still have signal.
You don't hear anything bottoming out. It's clear. Can you show me underneath here real quick? Nice beauty panel to cover up the... So these are on your subs?
Yeah, the two Slaps Audio 8Ks, and then I got a Alpine DSP over there in the car. And all the mids and highs are ran off of band amps. I got 4K, 3K, 1200.4, and a couple 800x4s.
You did all this?
No, Christopher Krause wired everything up and built it.
Okay, got it, nice. Wow. So how does this, so for this to close?
The actuators is on.
Oh, okay.
Everything pulls down on itself.
Sweet. Wow. So total wattage on the speaker side?
I got a 4K on those, 3K on those, and then two 800x4s on that.
Okay, around 9,000 or so. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. It's pretty smart. And the battery bank's all down there too?
Yeah, no, it's 186 amp hour of headway.
Okay.
Yeah, they're hidden underneath there.
Are these still your same DNRs I remember hearing like 6 years ago?
Yep, same ones.
Wow.
Still kicking.
Are these, were they rated 3,000 RMS?
5K RMS.
Or 5K, okay.
I think they over-exaggerated a little bit.
Yeah. Anything under the hood?
Yeah, got two Beckman 370s and one Ohio Gen 300.
Okay.
I got a fat boy to control them all.
Nice.
Yeah, whenever I'm just driving the vehicle, I'll just use that one, and when I'm playing the stereo, I'll kick those on.
What year is the vehicle?
94 Chevy Silverado.
Wow. All right. Nice. Do you know specs of this enclosure?
I believe it's tuned to 34, 33, and not too sure about the airspace.
Okay. SPL tests?
The highest was a 157.9 at I think it was 38 hertz, 39 hertz. But
Okay.
they could definitely take more power.
Oh yeah. You have the amps that want them?
Yeah.
All right. So this R logo stands for?
That's the Rogue logo, yeah.
Ah, okay. That's a little spade.
I gotta put a little bit more mid-bass in the H, but
Yeah.
the bottoms are actually Bamas. At the time when Rogue sponsored people, they didn't have big enough mid-bass choppers, so he's like, hey, the Bamas are pretty close. So
Put the sticker on it, yeah. Sweet, man. All right,
I'll
dude.
tell you what, it's a pain to try to get these stickers on, to put these stickers on.
Yeah.
And I didn't have time, I gave up.
It worked though, you got it. Wow. Wow. This will be the first time I've heard DNRs in over like 5 years. Nobody has them anymore. They don't make them.
Oh yeah, I think I want to say the only person that has or had them was I forgot his name, but he had a Corvette with two of them, and William Gay built it, but I think the car caught on fire sadly.
I remember hearing those too, the 218s. I remember hearing that. Well,
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Let's see.
Still got the DNRs kicking, huh?
Oh yeah, they're
Oh, that's a
still
little
kicking.
baby.
Yeah, that's the Alpine DSP module, so it eliminates the whole radio.
Sweet. It's all Bluetooth.
Yeah, all Bluetooth. Actually, the Bluetooth signal, I can walk a half a mile back away from the truck with the stunt wall and still have signal. I'll play the stunt wall real quick.
Okay, yeah, just like 20 seconds or so. Yeah, all right.
You probably got to push that door.
Yeah.
Indoors is a pain. But, you know,
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Appreciate that, dude. That's clear. It's clean. You don't hear anything bottoming out. It's clear. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High